Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang, true Mach 1, guys, with a Marti Report. Great car, man. Bought this car out of a private collection. Matter of fact, I got a GTO from him. I think we're going to end up with another car from him. But good car, pretty car. This is not the original color for the car. Originally, it was silver jade, and they finished it in this emerald green, which is just gorgeous in my opinion. Just jumps off the car. I'm hoping the sun will stay out here so you can kind of see it as we walk around it, but pretty car. Older paint, guys. They said the paint on this car, I think they said was 25 years old. Very nice. Definitely, I mean, something you take to your local shows and cruises and stand proud next to. There's a couple of spots I will show you. But then I think in 2010, they kind of freshened the car, but the paint on the car is about 25 years old. Again, it is a true Mach. Love this color, man. I'm hoping it comes through in the video the way it is. Just a real depth to it. Beautiful metallic. Of course, they put Magnum 500s all the way around it with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Neat car. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Again, pretty car, guys. Again, you look at the depth of that green and the metallic. It is nice. It's got the blacked out performance hood treatment on it. Again, you can see a couple stone pecks. Again, the paint's older. That's just a bug, guys. They definitely replaced the bumpers. It's got the front and rear spoilers on it. Beautiful car, man. Dual sport mirrors. Glass is nice. And again, both cars, you can kind of see the blemish here on the B-pillar. Both sides are kind of like that. There's a little, yeah, they touched up the stripe right there. Well, they actually put a new stripe on it, but they must have had a little touch-up mark. It's got the rear window louvers. Little thing, you can see a little crack right there. Now again, I don't want to be overly critical of this paint because, guys, it's slick. I mean, it is beautiful. I would not, this car does not need paint in my opinion. Again, there's a couple little things you can kind of pick at, but man, you can pick at all these things, man. Every one of these cars you can find something. Nice and straight down the sides, sits good. Good looking set of Magnums on it. It's got a real nice sounding Magnaflow H pipe dual exhaust system on it. Stone peck. That's a good looking car right there. Man, it drives. Sweet as can be. It's got the front disc brakes. I think I did mention it's got a Marti Report, dual sport mirrors. Again, original 351 car. It's got a Holley 4-barrel on it with a stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, a power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have air. The air works. It's going to need a charge. We'll make sure that we get that done. I apologize. We're a little backed up on some stuff like that right now. I got a part-time, Steve, my main mechanic, retired, so got a part-time buddy helping me out right now. Automatic trans, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. That is a pretty son of a gun right here. Yeah, I like this car, man. It's got a good look to it. And you really can't beat the way it drives. This is a remote mirror. They've definitely replaced those door handles. Door rubbers are new. Door seams are nice and clean. It's got your original body tag there. Again, I do have a Marti Report for the car. Factory black interior. Car was probably undercoated from the factory because it's got the undercoat plugs in it. Bucket seats, console. It's got the wood grain trip on it. I think that's a rim blow horn if I remember right too. Good looking car, guys. Showing 26,000. I'm sure that's 126. Gauges are nice and clean. It's got a retro radio in it. Clock in there works. Again, Magnaflow dual H-pipe dual exhaust system. Again, here's what I'm talking about. You kind of see that the B pillar there. It's got a 9-inch 300 rear end. I believe that's what it is. Pretty much stock with an air car. Yeah, there's your Marti Report, and then also here's a copy of the original A title, and then here's the receipts from some stuff they did in 2010. Car's nice. Got the fold down rear seat in the back. Everything opens and closes real nice. I mean, that is a good looking car right there. A couple little marks here on your bumper. Nope. Floors are clean. Good car. Seats look good. They definitely re-padded and re-foamed those. Clock works. Steering wheel looks good.
Right there, man.
Sorry, doing this one-handed. Hood mount turn signals work. Not much for gauges, right? Not really. Fuel gauge, oil pressure, holding good oil pressure. Backup lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers work. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. I'll bet you I've had 30 emails in the last couple of days, people hunting for cars. I can't keep up with those guys. Best thing you can do is keep track of our social media, our YouTube page. Every now and then, pick up the phone and give the guys a call. Best way to keep track of us. That's just a good good looking car right there. Yeah, you want a sweetheart of a Mach? That's a good car.